Good morning, my dear students. Let us see differentiation. Let us see example. Find the derivative of cos inverse x with respect to root 1 minus x square. So two functions are given in x. So for these two functions, we have to consider letter u and v. So consider u is equal to cos inverse of x and v is equal to root 1 minus x square. So u is a differentiable function of x and v is also differentiable function of x. Therefore, differentiate u and v with respect to x. So let u is equal to cos inverse x differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, du by dx is equal to d by dx of cos inverse x. But we know that the derivative of cos inverse x, that is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and again derivative of x with respect to x, that is dx upon dx, that is 1, that is we got minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square du by dx. For this we can say equation number 1. Now consider or let v is equal to root 1 minus x square. Again here v is differentiable function of x. Therefore differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dv by dx is equal to d by dx of root 1 minus x square. But we know that the derivative of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. Since d by dx of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x, and again derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. So 1 into 1 upon 2 root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. So in this form we can write 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square, and again derivative of 1 minus x square with respect to x. Therefore here we got 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square, and derivative of 1 is constant, therefore its derivative is 0, minus derivative of x square, that is we know that x raised to n x raised to n minus 1. So here 2x raised to 1, that is 2x. Now here we got minus 2x into 1, that is minus 2x upon 2 root 1 minus x square. So 2 upon 2 get cancelled, and we got minus x upon root 1 minus x square. So this is the derivative of dv by dx. Now we got dv is equal to dv by dx is equal to, now we have to find the derivative of cos inverse x with respect to root 1 minus x square. It means derivative of u with respect to x. Therefore by equations 1 and 2 we get du by dx is equal to that is we have tried du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Now by equation 1 and 2 we have to put the value minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square upon minus x upon root 1 minus x square. That is we can write in multiplicative inverse minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square upon minus x. So minus minus get cancelled, root 1 minus x square get cancelled, and that is we got 1 upon x, and therefore here we can write du upon dv is equal to 1 upon x. Let us see second example. Find the derivative of 7 raised to x with respect to x raised to 7. So two functions are given in x, therefore we have to consider u and v. U is equal to 7 raised to x and v is equal to x raised to 7. So differentiate with respect to x. Therefore du by dx is equal to, we know that 7 is constant, that is a raised to x, and its derivative is a raised to x log of a. So in the place of a we have to put 7, that is 7 raised to x log of 7, and again derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. So 7 raised to x log of 7, equation number 1. Now differentiate v with respect to x. Therefore dv by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 7, which is in the form of x raised to n. Therefore its derivative is 7x raised to 7 minus 1, that is we got dv by dx 7x raised to 6, and again derivative of x with respect to x, that is dx upon dx, that is 1. So 7x raised to 6 into 1, that is 7x raised to 6, equation number 2. Here we have to find the derivative of 7 raised to x with respect to x raised to 7. It means u with respect to v, that is du by dv. Therefore by equations 1 and 2 we get du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Now we have to put the value du by dx, that is 7 raised to x log of 7 upon 7 x raised to 6. Now here we can't cancel this 7 because 7 raised to x is there, so keep as it is, and this is the derivative u with respect to v, that is 7 raised to x log of 7 upon 7x raised to 6. So let us see few more examples in next video. Bye, take care.